How to use the lab profile to create an effective marketing campaign. The Language and Behavior Lab Profile is a tool developed by Roger Bailey, that's me, based on the principles of neurolinguistic programming, to identify and understand patterns in human behavior and language. It can be a valuable asset in creating a targeted marketing campaign. Here's how you can use it. Start by defining who your target audience is for the marketing campaign. Consider demographics such as age, gender, occupation, and location, but also delve deeper into psychographics such as values, beliefs, interests, and behaviors. Once you've identified your target audience, use the lab profile to segment them into different groups based on their language and behavior patterns. The lab profile categorizes people into different motivational and decision-making patterns, such as toward and away from motivation, sorting by similarities or difference, following procedures or making procedures, and more. With your audience segmented according to lab profile patterns, craft marketing messages tailored to each segment's preferences. For example, if you have a segment that prefers to move toward goals, focus on the benefits and positive outcomes of your product or service. If another segment tends to avoid risks, emphasize safety, security, and risk mitigation in your messaging. Different lab profile segments may prefer different communication channels. Some may respond well to email marketing, while others may prefer social media or face-to-face interactions. Adapt your marketing campaign to utilize the channels preferred by each segment. The lab profile identifies specific language patterns associated with each segment. Incorporate these patterns into your marketing copy, website content, social media posts, and advertising materials to resonate more effectively with each segment. When you know the lab profile patterns of a segment, you know the words and phrases which motivate and influence them. Implement your marketing campaign and track its effectiveness using metrics such as engagement rates, conversion rates, and sales. Gather feedback from customers to understand how well your messages are resonating with each segment. Use this feedback to refine your campaign and improve its effectiveness over time. Of course, you have to have learned how to use the lab profile to be able to use it in creating an effective marketing campaign. If you want to learn more about the lab profile and how it helps you create effective marketing campaigns, as well as other important tasks related to how people do what they do, click the link in this video's description to learn more about it.